Welcome back to the next section. And I hope you're having a lot of fun with this course so far and that you're actually learning some interesting new things. But anyway, we learned about HTML and CSS, and so now in this section, it's time to talk about the third and last language of the browser, which is JavaScript. So JavaScript is the actual programming language that web browsers understand. Because, as I mentioned before, HTML and CSS are not real programming languages. They're more like markup languages. But JavaScript actually is a programming language, and it's also the third core technology of the web. But what does programming language actually mean in this context? So what is JavaScript actually used for? Well, web developers can use JavaScript to implement dynamic effects, which are things such as responding to user events like clicks, loading external data, changing the content of the HTML page, playing video, animating charts, and many, many more things. So essentially, with JavaScript, we can make normal web pages come to life. And what I mean by that is that we can transform a normal web page from simply displaying some static content all the way to a fully fledged web application that feels dynamic and really just like the mobile applications that we all use every single day. But of course, all this makes a lot more sense when actually done in practice with code, and so let's now start doing that.